Hello, writers. Now that we have finished both of our Little Red Hen stories, your next assignment is to write your own how-to story of how to make a pizza. This could be really easy if you can think back to a time when you really have made a pizza before. And if you haven't done that, stop this video and say, hey, do we have ingredients? Could we make a pizza right now and give it a try? That could be a way that you could help yourself with planning out what you're going to write in this assignment. If you can't do that, that's totally fine too, because you can go back and listen to the Little Red Hen Makes Pizza again. She went through a ton of steps to get her pizza ready. What I'm asking you to do is to narrow it down to 4 things that you need to do to make a pizza. So surely if you go back and listen to that story one more time, skip all the other stuff that I said and just listen to the story, surely you can find at least 4 things that you need to do to make a pizza, right? Yeah, definitely. I believe in you. You can do this. So what I'm going to do is show you what I would write if I were making a pizza, okay? When I look at this paper, there are 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, because I need to plan out 4 steps for my pizza making. So I can tell it across my fingers, or I can point to each box and say what I'm going to do to make my pizza. Before I write anything down, I always want to think and plan. That's going to help you out when it's time for you to write your own story. So I don't even get to pick up my pen yet. I'm going to point and think of the first thing I would do to make pizza. Well, I know that I would have to get out the crust. Next, I would put on the sauce and cheese. The third thing I would do is pick out my toppings to put on the pizza. And fourth, I'm going to have to bake the pizza. So there you have it. Those are my 4 steps. Your steps might be different. Maybe you're not making a pizza from scratch. Maybe you're making a pizza that's frozen and you're just taking the wrapper off of it and getting the oven ready and baking it. I don't know what kind of pizza you want to make. It's up to you. Those are my 4 steps. So I'm going to jot them down real quick to give you some tips and reminders about what you should do with your writing. Okay, step 1, I don't have to change it or plan it. I already know I said I'm going to get out the crust. Get out the crust. I'm not going to make my own crust. Maybe you will. Good for you. Get out. Get out the, popcorn word, T-H-E. What do I do when I get to the end of a line? Yep, go back to the left. Crust. I do hear an R in there. Get out the crust. Hey, bada bing, bada boom. There's step 1, and I can draw a picture of the crust over here. There's nothing on it yet because I haven't gotten to that step. Now I need to think about what step number 2 was. And I said I was going to add the sauce and cheese. Hey, that's an easy sentence for me to write. I'm going to start with a capital. Add the, T-H-E. I love when I get to use that word. Oh, but now see, I got to talking. I forgot what I was going to write. So I'm going to go back and reread it. Add the, the sauce. A-W says aw, Now that might not be the right way to spell it, but I'm just going to move on because I wrote the sounds that I heard and I'm proud of myself. Add the sauce and cheese. Ch-ch-ch. C-H. Ch-e-s. Look at that. I've got another sentence done. And over here I would need my crust again. But now I've got my sauce on there, and I've got my sprinkles of cheese. Now, of course, you can do this with crayons too to make your colors match real life colors. Step number 3, I said I was going to add the toppings. So for me, I would probably say add pepperoni and sausage, because that's what I like on my pizza. Add pepperoni. You helped me spell that in a different video. Add pepperoni and sausage. Sauce. Okay, I hear some sounds at the beginning. Oh, look, it's just like sauce. Sauce. Ij. Add pepperoni and sausage, and I could draw a picture. And then I need my final step, I said, was going to be put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. In. Bada bing, bada boom. What do you know? I've got 4 steps of how to make a pizza. And I know that you can think of 4 steps too. They don't have to be, and they should not be exactly like mine. I want you to think about what you would do to make a pizza. Some of it may be the same. Some of it's probably going to be different. And try to plan out your sentences before you write them down. It's really going to help you out. Can't wait to see how you would make a pizza. See you next time.